Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna cook zucchini. Zucchini is one of my favorite vegetables because it's so versatile. You can spiralize it and use it in salads, or you can make a lasagna with it. But today I'm gonna make a very old traditional Italian recipe with it, the zucchini fritters. This zucchini fritters recipe is made with few ingredients and lots of Mediterranean flavors. You are gonna love it because it's an easy recipe, and in 20 minutes you will have a wonderful dish for you and your family. So guys, without further ado, let's prepare the recipe. For today's recipe, we are gonna use the following list of ingredients. First, we are gonna start preparing the buttermilk. So take some vegan milk of your choice and add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and mix them well. The buttermilk brings a pleasant tang while adding very little fat. The acidity of it combined with the baking soda makes the fritters very tender and fluffier. Leave the vegan buttermilk aside to thicken, and meanwhile start preparing the veggies. Take 1 spring onion and chop it, put into a mixing bowl, then take some fresh rosemary, finally chop it and put it in the same mixing bowl where we put it the spring onion before. Take some fresh parsley and finally chop it. Fresh herbs are very important for this recipe because the Italian zucchini fritters are full of fresh herbs. Then, of course, we are going to use some fresh thyme. Remove the leaves from the stem like I do in here. And as a last step, I'm going to prepare the zucchini. I'm going to wash it, then eliminate the extremities and grate it. I always eliminate the extremities because sometimes they have a bitter taste. After preparing the veggies, I'm going to prepare the butter. Take a big mixing bowl and add the all-purpose flour, the baking soda, some sea salt, garlic and chili flakes. For this recipe you can use also quinoa flour or chickpeas flour for a gluten-free version. Then I'm gonna add also the buttermilk that I prepared before and 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. I'm not gonna use olive oil because when it's fried, olive oil is not the best choice. Whisk everything well and add the grated zucchini and the chopped fresh herbs. Give it a good stir, and finally the fritters batter is ready. Take a non-stick frying pan and brush it with some oil. Then drop spoonfuls of zucchini butters into the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side over medium flame. Usually in Italy these fritters are fried in oil, but I'm trying to keep my diet healthy and to not consume a lot of fats and also low in calories, so I have pan fried them like this. And now they are ready. They are golden and crispy outside and very soft and fluffy inside. Have fun making a perfect stack of fritters at home like I do in here. I think this is the best way to eat them, to make a nice stack of them, and of course to top it with some vegan tzatziki sauce. I've made this video of the vegan tzatziki last week and I'm gonna leave at the right corner the link to this video. They are so healthy, delicious and yummy. Enjoy them! I hope you really enjoyed this wonderful zucchini recipe, and if you like this video, please don't forget to put a thumb up, leave a comment below, and of course subscribe for more recipes like this in the future. Thank you for watching and see you in my next recipe.